Now we move on to the next topic, which is combination, or in Malay as gabungan. Okay, combinations of a set of objects. So a combinations is a selection of objects with no consideration given to the order, ataupun order ni susunan or arrangement of the object. Meaning to say that in combination, the order or the arrangement is not important. Okay, dia tidak tengok order, susunan tu dia tidak pentingkan sangat. So while A, B, C and B, C, A are different permutations, they are the same combination of letters. So itu maksud dia. Kalau tadi kita kata A, B, C and B, C, A ni adalah dua permutation yang berbeza. But then in combination, they are the same. Dia terdiri daripada kombinasi elements yang sama, kombinasi alphabet yang sama, A, B, C. This one also ada A, B, C, just that the arrangements are different. Okay, so this is what does it mean by combination. Let's see example 12. Determine whether each of the following is a permutation or combination. Tentukan sama ada sentence dekat bawah ni permutation or combination. Okay, dia kata 5 pictures placed in a row. 5 pictures placed in a row. So kalau dia kata ada letak dekat situ in a row, maksudnya dia pentingkan susunan. Order or arrangement is important. So this is a permutation. For B, 3 storybooks picked from a rack. So kita just pilih, pick. You pick any, but you don't know where exactly the how the ways of the arrangement. Okay, so you just pick, meaning that this is a combination. And then a team of 9 players chosen from a group of 20. Daripada 20, you choose 9. So that one is combination. It didn't mention how the arrangement. Okay, so this is combination. Okay, D, the arrangements of the letters in the word October. So dekat sini there are clearly stated that arrangements, ada words arrangements dekat situ. So this is permutation. And for E, the types of food in a plate taken for lunch consists of rice, veggie, chicken curry and prawn paste sambal. Kan sedap. So dia ada pelbagai food, pelbagai lauk lah. So this one dia tidak mention the prawn paste ni letak dekat mana, rice letak dekat mana. No, it's not mentioned there. So this is just a combination. Therefore, we can conclude that permutations are used when order is important and combinations are used when order is not important. Okay, so permutation tadi, orders or arrangements are important but not in combination. So combination of R objects from N objects. Maksudnya daripada keseluruhan kita ada N objects, we just choose or we just pick R object. Okay. The general result is the number of combinations. Combination atau kata lainnya selections or R objects chosen from N unlike objects is this one. This is the formula. The NCR, okay? And sorry this N should be up here. Bukannya dia dekat sini, dia should be like this. Dia sepatutnya jadi macam ni. N C R, okay? The L N over here should be small letter N over here, okay? So N combination R ataupun cara tulis yang lain adalah N factorial over N minus R factorial times R factorial. Okay, or in a simplest way, you can just key in this one, NCR. Macam ni, dalam you punya calculator. So consider the following table. We consider the following table where the number of combination, NOC over here stand for number of combination of three objects A, B, C. Kita ada three objects A, B, C. Taken two at a time. Daripada tiga ni, kita ambil dua. Dua dalam satu masa. So we have three, chose two. Ataupun three combination two. So you have just key in to your calculator, three, and then there's symbol NCR dekat you punya calculator. You click that one and then you click and then you key in 2. So you get the answer is 3. Yeah. So we consider this following table. Let's say we have n different object. AB, ABC, and also ABC lah dekat sini. So we taken R objects, meaning you pick 2 lah. You chose 2. Okay, combination is NCR. So the combination is AB. Daripada these two object, you pick 2. So tiada option lain lah. Yang you ada cuma AB. That's why you get this AB. So the number of combination is 1. Ada satu sahaja. Is 1. But the number of permutation is AB and BA. Ada dua number of permutation. See, you can see the different now. Untuk combination, dia cuma consider ni sebagai satu. But for permutation, you can arrange it in two ways like this one. And for ABC, let's say we pick 2. Daripada 3 ni kita pick 2. We taken R, 2 objects. So let's say lah kita ambil 2, AB or AC or BC. This is the combination. We have 3 combination. Okay. But in permutation, so number of kita punya combination is this one lah. 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. But in permutation, you have AB, BA, AC, or CA, BC, and CB. You have 6 ways to arrange these two alphabets. So you have number of permutation is 6. And for this one, A, B, C, out of these 3, you pick the whole thing. Tiga-tiga ni you ambil terus. Okay. So untuk tiga-tiga ni, you boleh tulis dia punya combination as A, B, C, which is equal to 1. Number of combination they equal to 1. Whether you want to put it like this, A, B, C, or you want to write it in this way, yang banyak-banyak ni, we still consider it as one combination. Satu kombinasi untuk ketiga-tiga alphabet. But in permutation, it's the other way around. Sebab you need to consider dia punya arrangement. Remember permutation. In permutation, arrangements and order are important. So A, B, C, A, C, B, B, C, A, B, A, C, C, A, B, and C, B, A are 6 different arrangement. So you have number of permutation equal to 6. Therefore, we can say that the number of combination is always less than number of permutation. Tengok dekat sini. Kolom yang ni. Untuk number of combination, semestinya lebih kecil daripada number of permutation. Example 13. A quiz team of 4 is chosen from a group of 15 students. In how many ways could the team be chosen? So kita ada 15 student, but we only want to choose 4 out of 15. So 15 choose 4 or 15 combination 4. So simply key in this into your calculator, or you want to see the steps lagi clearly. 15 factorial over, this is the formula. Just now n factorial divide by n minus r factorial divide by, multiply with r factorial. Okay, n minus r. N minus r meaning 15 minus 4. Okay, so I get 15 minus 4 over there. 15 minus 4, you get 11, and this is your r. So you get 1365 ways to choose the student. Example 14. A school committee consists of 6 girls and 4 boys. Ada 6 pelajar perempuan, 4 pelajar lelaki. So you have 10 of them. Okay, your N will be, you have 10. Okay, a social subcommittee consisting of 4 students is to be formed. Okay, out of 10 here, you just need to pick or choose 4 students. In how many ways could the group be chosen if there are to be more girls than boys in the group? Dia dah mention siap-siap mesti more girls than boys in the group. Dalam 4 tu nanti bila you pick 4, make sure yang girls tu lebih daripada lelaki. Meaning that you boleh letak 4 girls and no boys at all, ataupun 3 girls and 1 boy. That is the combination that you can have. 2 girls and 2 boys cannot, because um the amount is the same, or the number of boys and the girls are the same. So that one is not in our case. So if there are to be more girls than boys in a group, so kita ada satu, yang ini ataupun yang ini, option yang kita ada. So let's count for this one. 4 girls can be chosen in, so daripada 6 ni, kita choose only 4. 6 choose 4, so ada 15 ways. And then for this second case, 3 girls and 1 boy can be chosen in, so 6 out of 6 girls, we only need to choose 3. And then you multiply with, this is for girls, yeah? This is for boys. This one. For boys, we only need to choose 1. Okay, and don't forget to multiply in between. So 80 ways. So you just need to total up these two, 15 ways plus 18 way, 80, sorry, 80 ways. So you get 95 ways all together. Okay, so that the girls are more than the boys in the group. Example 15, given the set S, which consists of A, B, C, D, E, consists of 5 elements. List all the subsets of S. Subsets ni maksudnya you can create subset lah yang kecil-kecil dekat dalam bracket ni with 2 elements. 2 elements meaning you pick any 2 lah from here. And if you need 4 elements, meaning you pick or you choose any 4 from 5, this one. So for the first one, untuk 2 elements, only 2 elements from these 5. So it can be AB, AC, AD, AE, BC, BD, BE, CD, CE, and DE. Okay, so altogether we have berapa tu? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So your number of combination equal to 10. Okay, for this one lah. Number of combination kita equal to 10. For this one, kalau dia kata pick only 4 out of 5, so you lah macam ni. You create lah 4 from this one. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the number of combination is actually equal to 5. Okay. This is easy peasy. Example 16, in a football training squad of 24 people, 3 are goalkeepers, 7 are defenders, 6 are midfielders, and 8 are forwards. A final squad of 16 selected for a match must consist of 2 goalkeepers, 4 defenders, 5 midfielders and another 5 forwards. So find the number of possible selection if one particular goalkeeper, 2 particular defenders, 3 particular midfielders, and 3 particular forwards are automatically selected. So dia kata keseluruhan kita ada 24, which consists of this lah, 3, 7 and 6 position masing-masing. But then a final squad yang terdiri daripada 16 sahaja, kita out of 24 ni we just need to select 16. Yang mana 16 ni dia bagi-bagikan lah. We have 2 goalkeepers, 4 defenders, 5 mid and 5 forwards. But then dia kata find the number of possible selection if one particular goalkeeper, dia dah tetapkan only one particular, 2 particular defenders, 3 midfielders, 3 lagi forwards are automatically selected. So number of way selecting the goalkeepers. So goalkeepers, one choose one. Memandangkan dia kata satu. Ini yang dah fix satu goalkeeper. So one choose one. And then you multiply with 2 choose 1. Kenapa 2 choose 1? See over here. Originally, kita ada 3 goalkeepers. But then, untuk create 16 ni, dia kecilkan lagi. Hanya 2 sahaja. Okay. And then, the other one is, the lastly is 1. Okay. So, tengok dekat sini, dia punya total mesti sama dengan 3. 3 goalkeepers. Sini. 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Okay, 1 plus 2 equal to 3. So, 1 choose 1 ni adalah yang ini. 1 particular, dia tetapkan 1 particular, 1 choose 1. The other remaining adalah yang 2 tu. Kan kita ada 3 tadi, tolak 1, yang tinggal cuma 2. Daripada 2 ni, you need to choose lagi 1. So, inilah dia. Multiply dia, you get 2. And then that one is for goalkeepers. How about for the defenders? Defenders ada 7. See? 2 plus 5. So you get 7. 7 defenders. Yang asalnya ada 7 defenders. But then dia kata, you only need to choose 2 defenders, kan? Cuma perlu choose 2 defenders. So, daripada 2, choose 2. Because of this one. 2, choose 2. And then you multiply it with 5, choose 2. 5 ni datang daripada mana? Yang Saki baki tadi. You ada 7 defenders, but then 2 dah pilih. So, yang tinggal cuma 5. 5, you need to choose another 2. Okay. Okay, that is for defenders. And then we move on to the midfielders. Midfielders ada 6. We have 6. Originally, we have 6 midfielders. So, we have 3 plus 3. You have 6 midfielders. Okay. But then dia bagi tahu last kali nanti mesti terdiri daripada 3 midfielders. Dia dah fix. 3 choose 3. And then you multiply lagi dengan yang Saki baki tadi. 6 ni dah tolak 3. So tinggallah 3. 3 ni, but then you need to choose 2. Okay. Okay, then you have the answer. And the number of ways selecting forwards. Forwards, you have 3, choose 3. Mana forwards ni? Forwards ada 8. So, 3 plus 5, you get 8. 8. Yeah? So, dia kata yang last kali mesti ada 3 forwards. So 3 choose 3 lah. Okay. Multiply with Yang remaining tadi 8. Kan? Ada 8 and then you just choose 2. Okay. Okay. Then number of ways selecting the squad is you multiply the whole thing. 2 times 10 times 3 times 10. So this is the ways of selecting the squad. Okay. Okay, let's see example 17. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H is a regular octagon. Octagon meaning ada 10 lah, ada 10 sisi. Okay, dekat situ octagon. How many triangle? Oh, sorry. Octagon meaning you have 8. Yeah? Octagon 8. Ada 10. No, 10. You have only 8, sorry. So how many triangles can be formed with the vertices of the octagon as vertices? Okay. Okay, dia kata how many triangles, berapa segitiga yang kita boleh bentuk with the vertices. Vertices mean the bocor here of the octagon as vertices. And B, how many diagonals can be drawn by joining the vertices? Okay. So let's see for A, berapa banyak triangle segitiga yang kita boleh bentuk. So in order to form the triangle, we need to pick or to choose any 3 vertices lah. So number of triangle out of 8 vertices, kita ada 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you just need to pick 3, choose 3. So A, choose 3. So this is the answer. This is quite straightforward. Okay. And then for B, a line can be formed untuk diagonals. Okay, a line can be formed by taking any 2 points from the at vertices of the octagon. Okay, diagonals meaning you join any here, any this one, or this one, or this one. Ni diagonal lah kita panggil lah. Okay, this is diagonal. So number of lines that can be formed is 8 choose 2 because we only need 2. And you only need 2 here and here. 8 choose 2, so you have 28. So these 28 lines include the 8 side of the octagon. Dia yang lines yang ini, yang ni, semua ni, dia merangkumi juga 8 side yang octagon ni. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So kita kena tolak yang luar ni lah. 28 minus 8. So you have 20. That is how you find the diagonals lah. So diagonals can be like this one. Dia sepatutnya dekat sini lah yang bucu-bucu. Diagonal. Itulah diagonal. Yang ni ke sini. Macam tu. Itu diagonal. Okay. So dia kata tidak termasuk yang dekat luar, dekat belakang. Dekat keliling ni lah yang ada 8 ni. So you tolak 28 minus 8. Example 18, 15 students are divided into 3 groups, with A having 7 students, Group B having 5 students, and Group C having 3 students. Find the number of ways to form 3 groups. Untuk buat 3 groups, kita ada 15 students, and these 15 students are divided into 3 groups. Ada 15 orang, tapi kita bagikan kepada 3 kumpulan. Okay, so how many ways kita boleh buat 3 groups ni? So the number of combination can be untuk first group, this is for first group, this is for second group, this is for third group. Okay, for the first group out of 15, you can choose 7. Sebab dia kata yang A. Okay, sorry. I should write it as group A, group B, and group, not 3, group C. So ikut yang ini. A, B, and C. Untuk group A, kita ada 7 students. So out of 15, you just choose 7. 15 choose 7. And then kalau dah pilih 7, 15 tolak 7, yang tinggal cuma 8. So daripada 8 ni, kita kena choose 5 pula. 5. And then dah 8, you pilih 5. So 8 tolak 5, you tinggal 3. So this 3, you need to choose another 3 student lagi. So 3 choose 3. Okay. So make sure you get the answer like this. And for the second one, the 3 groups with 2 given student must be in group A. Dia dah tetapkan. Ada 2 student mesti dalam group A. So this is group A. Yang dalam bracket ni group A. Ni group B. Ni group C. So untuk start with group A, 2 choose 2. Sebab 2 choose 2 ni adalah yang ni. 2 given student ni. Daripada 2 ni kita choose 2 tu terus. 2 choose 2 multiply with 13 choose 5. Kenapa 13? Sebab originally we have 15 but we dah choose, kita dah 2 have been chosen. So 15 minus 2 you get 13. 13, from 13 we need to choose another 5. Okay, we need to choose another 5. Okay, so that we can have 7 student. Dalam A ni mesti ada 7, dalam B ni mesti ada 5, dalam C mesti ada 3. So all together you have 15 student. Okay. Cumanya syarat yang B ni dia dah letakkan syarat lah yang ada 2 student tadi tu mesti masuk dekat group A. So 2 choose 2 lah dekat situ. Okay, and then we multiply with yang untuk B. Yang B adalah 8. Yang dekat sini dah 7. So out of 15, you tolak 7, yang tinggal adalah 8. 8 you choose another 5. Kenapa 5? Sebab dia dah tetapkan B having 5 student and C having 3 student. So yang Saki baki itu adalah untuk C. 3 choose 3. Kat sini 3 choose 3. Okay. Example 19, a 3-member committee is to be formed. 3-member committee, ada 3 orang je dalam dia. From 4 couples of husband and wife. 4 couples, husband and wife, meaning ada 4 male, 4 females, kan? Find the possible numbers of committee that can be formed if all the members are men. All the members are men, meaning you have 4 men. 4 couple husband and wife, maksudnya you have 4 men and you have 4 female. Or 4 women lah. Okay. So out of 4, dia kata all the members are men. But we only need to pick 3. So 4 choose 3. So this is all the men, for all men. And for B, the husband and wife cannot be in the committee at the same time. Pasangan suami isteri tu tidak boleh ada dalam komiti tu sama dalam satu masa. So, number of selecting 3 groups from 4 groups. Since we only have 4 groups or 4 couples, kita cuma choose 3 saja. Kenapa choose 3 couples? Sebab dia kata tidak only 3-member committee. Yang mana 3-member committee ni nanti tidak boleh ada husband and wife dekat dalam tu. Semuanya dari pasangan yang berbeza. So you have 4 choose 3 over here. So you have 4 choose 3. And then the number of choosing a person from each of the 3 groups selected. Okay, group pertama, satu ni dapat dari mana? Tu ni is as a couple lah. Pasangan suami isteri ada 2 orang. 2 orang ni, husband and wife, we only choose one. Sama ada you choose husband dia or dia punya wife. And then you multiply with for the second couple. Sama juga second couple ada 2 orang, but you need to choose only one. And the third couple sama juga, you have 2 person, but you need to choose only one. So you get 8 over here. And therefore the number of combination will be 4 choose 3 just now. 4 choose 3 multiply with this whole thing. Okay. So why do we need to multiply with 4 choose 3? Because there are 4 couples there, but we need to choose only 3. Yang mana 3 tadi tu cannot consist of husband and wife at the same time. So 4, we choose only 3 couples. And then dalam 3 couples tu tidaklah boleh ada husband and wife. That's why each couples cuma pick satu. Okay. And the last example, example 20, in how many ways can a teacher choose one or more students as a prefects from 5 eligible students? So, berapa cara dia punya guru boleh pilih satu atau lebih student untuk dijadikan sebagai pengawas daripada 5 eligible student. So, kita ada 5 orang, but you need to choose one or more. So, the number of combination is maybe 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. Sebab dia tidak mention berapa, dia just bagi tahu 1 ataupun more. So it can be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So the number of combination will be 5 choose 1. Mungkin dia pilih 1 tambah. This one we cannot multiply because it is different for different case. This is for 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4 and 5. So case yang berbeza, that's why kita tambah, kita tidak multiply. 5 for the first case, let's say lah kita out of 5 we choose only 1 untuk dijadikan sebagai prefect. And then for the second case, out of 5 we choose 2. Okay? And then for the third case, out of 5 we choose only 3. For the fourth case, out of 5 we choose only 4. And for the fifth case, out of 5 we choose 5 altogether. Okay? Dia case yang berbeza. Sebab tu kita tengok dekat atas ni dia punya N masih 5. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. That's why you plus, plus, plus. Okay, so you just get into calculator, you get 66. This is quite different with the one previously. Kalau tengok dekat sini dia multiply kan. Sini dia multiply. Sebab ini untuk satu case yang sama. But this one, kenapa saya kata dia berbeza is because you have maybe the teacher choose only one or choose 2 untuk case kedua, or maybe dia choose 3, 4 dan 5. So each of these are different. So that's why you plus, 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 and plus. Okay, until you get the answer. Okay, I think that's all for combination. I hope you can clearly differentiate between permutation and combination. Once again, in permutation, arrangements or order, susunan tu adalah penting. Arrangements or order are important, but not in combination. Yeah, and number of combination always less than number of permutation. That's all. Thank you.